Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us with Cooking with the Count. Gabrielle and I were kind of clawing around today trying to figure out what we were going to make for dinner. And we decided to literally claw it up and have some Jonah clobs. Anyway, if you can't find stone crab, Jonahs are almost as good. Not quite as sweet, but they are very, very, very good. And of course, New England
crabs?
No, these are lobster. Love lobster. Your mommy loves lobster. We all love lobster. Anyway, we're gonna make up a garlic butter sauce, which I think is really gonna go well with these. Anyway, let's get started. We have parsley, we have butter, we have white wine, we have fish stock, we have garlic, we have a shallot, we have a little bit of red pepper, we have some lemon juice, salt, and pepper. We're going to combine these, steam these up for a short period of time, only about 5 minutes, because all of these are already cooked. So we're just going to heat them up and get that flavoring into them, and it's going to be awesome. So let's move to the stove. Okay, let's get our stove on, get that pan nice and hot. Go ahead and add our butter, and we want olive oil. Want about 2 tablespoons in there, maybe a little bit more. It's good for you. And heat that up really good. Yeah. Garlic keeps the vampires away.
Because I don't like vampires.
I know. Now, Charlotte, we're going to cook this up for just a few minutes, just to get them nice and golden brown. Get them nice and tender. Turn it down a little bit. I love the smell of garlic. It's looking pretty good. Give that a second. Yeah, browning up nicely. Now we can go ahead and add our fish stock. And our wine.
It's looking good.
Yeah. Stir that up a little bit, get that nice and hot. And let that reduce just a little bit. We might as well go ahead and add our red pepper flakes and our lemon juice, our salt, our pepper, and our parsley. Oh, that's looking good and smelling good. Stir that up really good. That smells good. That smells really incredible, Gab.
Yes, it does. I can smell it all the way from here.
Yeah, we'll bring that up to a simmer. And let's start adding our seafood.
Dad, can I hand them to you?
Of course you can.
Thanks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 21 pieces.
21?
21 pieces.
Just kidding.
I know. You know what that means?
Yep.
You get 7, Mommy gets 7, and I get 7. We're gonna put the cover on that, and they're gonna simmer for about 5 minutes. Oh yeah, those look yummy.
Yes, they do, Dad.
All right, let's get these in a bowl
Yay.
because I don't know about you, I'm pretty hungry.
Me too.
Okay, cool. We'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. As you can see, our lobster and our crab really do look phenomenal. And I've got a little girl over here that's just dying to try one. So, which one did we try? Lobster? Lobster?
Yep.
This one?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's see how this turns out.
That looks delicious.
Mm-hmm.
You can have one. I'll have one.
The shells are nice and soft. Mind you, this is Florida. This is not New England, so we're not blessed with the seafood that you guys have. Put that in there. Well, it's hot. Take a little bite, see what you think. I'll have this little knuckle.
This is pretty darn good, Dad.
Good. That's what I like to hear.
But hot.
It's not New England, but it's pretty darn good. With that, thank you for joining us for Cooking with the Count. I hope you'll visit our website at
CookingWithTheCount.com.
Thank you, God bless, and bon appetit.